Hello, this is Browzwear. I'm a digital designer with 20 years of experience working with global brands. I'm also a professor of instruction at Columbia College Chicago, where I teach digital pattern making using Browzwear V-Stitcher. Today we're going to work through grading a t-shirt pattern and setting up some sizes and avatars. This is a two-part video. You are in part one. We're going to set our size range first. We're going to add sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. I've opened up my t-shirt file. You can draft your own file or you can import a t-shirt file from the cloud. The first thing I want to do is I want to go into Tools. I want to go into Sizes and Grading. And over here to the right-hand side, I can see that I have a medium size. I am going to add a size and I'm going to add another size. And those are going to add two sizes that are larger than the medium base. I also need to add two smaller sizes. So I'm going to drop the arrow down and say smallest. That will be my small, and this will be my extra small. Over here, I will rename by just double clicking on the box my size sets: extra small, small, medium, large, and XL. I now have my size set. I also need to pair my avatars. The next thing I want to do is I want to select the appropriate avatar that has a size set, and I want to load the avatar size set into this garment. So currently I have over here in my sizing, I have Dolly set as the avatar. This is the avatar that came with the t-shirt that I downloaded. So in order to change my avatar, I am going to go into Tools. I'm going to go into Avatar Size Set Manager, and I am going to click on Size Set. I'm going to name it Size SML XL. Click out. Then I'm going to come over here to where it says Avatars, and I'm going to click on the avatars. Now I do have the avatars that I need already, but you can also download those avatars in the cloud under avatars. So I'm going to scroll down until I see the avatars that I need. And I am going to want to use Olivia, small. I'm going to add another avatar. I'm going to want to use another small for my extra small. I'll explain that more later. I want to use Olivia medium. I want to add Olivia large and extra large. I just saw that extra large there, so I just added it, but let's find the large. Great. I have all the avatars that I need, but I also want to make sure that they're in order. So I'm going to arrange the order: small, small, medium, large, and extra large, and I am going to hit done. The next thing I want to do is I want to come in to the size set. I want to click here, and I want to change my avatar. So I'm going to search for SMXL Olivia, which is the one I just added, and I'm going to hit apply. And by doing that, I have now paired the avatar Olivia in the size range. We can see that when we drop down that we have small for XS, small for small, medium, large, and extra large. And I'm all set to start grading my pattern. Okay, so just to recap, for part one, we have imported our t-shirt pattern. We have added the sizes that we need for grading, extra small to extra large. We have paired Olivia avatar. In part two, we are going to add the grading points and the measurements needed to create our size sets. I'll see you there in part two. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks so much for joining.